Welcome to Ranju's Food Fusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to share very popular and delicious recipe of Rajma curry or Rajma masala. So let's check out the recipe. To make Rajma curry, here I have taken 2 cups of red kidney beans, 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. To make tempering, here I have 1 onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon garam masala, puree of 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon kasturi methi, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon grated garlic, 2 green chili, some salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Here I have 2 cups of rajma or red kidney beans. Soak this in 5 to 6 cups of water for overnight or maybe 6 to 8 hours. I soaked them overnight and you can see how nicely rajma soaked the water and they puffed up really nice. Now transfer the red kidney beans in the pressure cooker. Add 7 cups of water and add 1.5 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Cover the lid and cook the red kidney beans on high heat until 4 whistles. After that, switch the heat to low flame and cook it for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, switch off the heat. Now chop the onion in very small pieces. If you have an electric chopper like that, you can just chop in this one. Make puree of 2 tomatoes. Grate some garlic and grate some ginger too. Now steam of the pressure cooker is released. We can check there is no steam inside. So open the lid. And see our nice red kidney beans. Perfect. They are actually boiled really nice. We can take out some water from this if we feel it's too much for gravy. So we're just taking it precautionally and we can add it later while it's boiling with the tempering if it's required. Add 1 tablespoon oil in a kadahi and add some butter. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and cook until seeds get splutter or get little brown. Now add onion and cook it for 2 minutes on high heat. Stir in between. Onions are turning to little brown now. We'll add some garlic and some grated ginger and we'll cook for 1 minute so our ginger and garlic can get cooked. Now add turmeric powder, add chili powder, add coriander powder, add roasted cumin powder and cook it for 30 seconds. Now add tomato puree and cook it for 4 minutes or until it releases oil. Stir in between. Add some salt for masala if required. You can see now masala release the oil. Now add green chilies. You can add chopped or whole green chilies, or you can skip it also if you don't want it. And mix well. Now add boiled rajma or red kidney beans and let it come to boil once. You can taste your rajma or red kidney beans at this time, and mine needs little bit of salt, so I'm adding it. Now it's coming to a nice boil. I'll add some garam masala. Add kasturi methi. And cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. When we boil red kidney beans on low heat, then it actually releases nice flavors in the gravy, which enhance the taste, and gravy gets thicker too. Stir in between while it's cooking on low heat. And here is our delicious rajma curry is ready. So let's serve in a bowl. Now garnish it with some butter. With this way you can really prepare delicious rajma curry or rajma masala. You can see how nice consistency of the rajma curry is here. So you can prepare it the same way. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Ranju's Food Fusion for more recipes. And here is my favorite way to serve red kidney beans with rice. When I was a kid, this was my favorite food, and we used to call it rajma chawal. So you can enjoy this red kidney beans with rice. So this was the easy recipe to make rajma curry. You can enjoy it from the comfort of your home. Please try the recipe and enjoy.